Have you ever wanted to make your own dice? Hi, my name is Rachel, and today we are going to be using a silicone casting process to make polyhedral dice out of resin. To get started, we are going to need silicone mold mix, measuring cups, popsicle sticks, dice, and a hot glue gun. We will first use the hot glue gun to attach the dice to a sprue made out of a popsicle stick, and then attach this to a paper cup. We will then measure out equal parts of the silicone mold mixture to fill the cups until the dice are completely covered. Now we are going to let it sit for 24 hours before removing the molds. Once removed, use a knife to cut down the sides of the mold and remove the dice and sprue. For this step, you will need the tape, resin, and any paint, dye, or inserts that will be used to customize the dice. For this particular set, star inserts were made from yellow resin and placed into the molds. Now equal parts of resin need to be mixed together until a uniform mixture is created. Any dye or paint should be added at this step to incorporate it into the dice. For this set, glow-in-the-dark dye powder was used. Leave this to cure for 24 hours before removing the dice from the molds. Now that they're out of the molds, trim the sprue from the dice and then sand and polish the dice to your liking. Once this step is finished, you now have a complete set of polyhedral dice. Thanks for watching.